We have to write this in partial fraction. So this is also the case where the denominator has a quadratic factor. So we would be getting, we can write, I'm using the linear factor first, so it will be a over 2 minus x plus bx plus c upon 2 plus 3x squared. Okay. Now I am going to take the LCM of the right hand side so that the denominators of both sides become same and we can cancel it. A has to be multiplied with 2 plus 3x squared and bx plus c has to be multiplied with 2 minus x. The denominator is the same. 2 plus 3x squared, 2 minus x, cancel, cancel. So we get 17x squared minus 7x plus 16 equals a. 2 plus 3x squared plus bx plus c times 2 minus x. Okay, so we can make this 0 by replacing x with 2. So let x is equals to 2. That will give us the value of a. So replace every x with 2. The bx plus c term will get eliminated because it gets multiplied with 0. And we will get a value of a which will come out to be 5. Okay. Next, I can replace x with 0 and also use a equals to 5. So replace every x with 0. That will also make this 0 the b term. And replace the a with 5. That will get you the value of c. When you simplify that, calculate that, you should get c is equals to 3. And now you need another value of x, which could be x equals to 1. And you will also use a equals 5 and c equals 3. That will only leave b to be the unknown, and b will come out to be negative 2. So now the partial fraction would be 5 over 2 minus x and minus 2x plus 3 over 2 plus 3x squared. Okay. Part B, hence obtain the expansion of fx in ascending power of x up to and including the term x cubed. Okay, so for part B, let's take the denominators up first. Before we start expanding, this needs to be 1. So 2 comes out, but it becomes 2 power minus 1 when it comes out. So we'll get this. And then 2 power minus 1 is actually half. And multiply half with the other bracket minus 2x plus 3. It becomes minus x plus 3 over 2. And this would be 1 plus 3 over 2 x squared power negative 1. Okay, so now we need to expand till x cubed. So it's a bit more work. So the first term, oh, this needed to be 1 as well. So take out the 2. It becomes 2 power negative 1. 1 minus x over 2 power minus 1. So we'll get 5 over 2 here. And then 1 minus x over 2 power negative 1. Now we're ready to expand. Okay, so 5 over 2, 1 plus minus 1 minus x over 2 plus minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 over 2 factorial. minus x over 2 squared plus the cube term as well. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2 over 3 factorial minus x over 2 whole cubed. Okay. And then we'll have minus x plus 3 over 2 times 1 plus minus 1, 3 over 2 x squared. And then the next term will become x power 4 because we'll have plus minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 over 2 factorial and 3 by 2 x squared whole squared. So we don't need this term. This will be x power 4, so we don't need to write that. Okay, so we get 5 over 2 and 1 plus x over 2. Calculate this term and this term in your calculator. Just replace x with 1 for the time being, and you will get 1 by 4x squared and 1 by 8x cubed. And then plus minus x plus 3 by 2, 1 minus 3 by 2 x squared. Okay, now completely expand it and then collect the like terms. 5 by 2 plus 5x by 4 plus 5 by 8x squared plus 5 by 16x cubed, then minus x plus 3 over 2x cubed plus 3 over 2 minus 9 over 4x. Okay, now add the right terms. Okay, so you'll get 4 plus 1 over 4x minus 13 by 8x squared plus 29 by 16x cubed. Okay. Part C is state the set of values of x for which the expansion in B is valid. Okay, so we expanded this and this. In fact, we expanded this and this. Now, this expansion is only valid when modulus of this is less than 1. So we're going to write a modulus of minus x upon 2 is less than 1 and modulus of 3 by 2x squared is less than 1. We're going to solve both of these for modulus of x and then choose the smaller answer. Okay, so what happens? You can take the coefficient out and it becomes positive because of the modulus. So this is modulus of x is less than 2. For the other one, we get 3 over 2 outside, modulus of x squared less than 2 by 3, and square root both sides, modulus of x is less than square root of 2 by 3. So this is the smaller answer, which will be our only answer.